at Mama Lou's, our guests really come back for my mom's spaghetti seafood olio and our brick oven thin crust pizza. While at Nonna's, we introduce and serve Neapolitan-style pizza and fresh pastas. In both restaurants, our guests can expect the same kind of passion and love that my mom used to prepare dishes for her guests, as if she was still here with us today. Our family, we had this old house located in the corner of Tropical Palace and Tropical Avenue. We were trying to sell the house for over 5 years and nobody wanted to buy it. We were to convert it into a restaurant. That is one of the best decisions that my mom and my dad ever made, was to convert this into Mama Lou's that it is today. For those who were fortunate to have met my mom's role in the restaurant was really in the kitchen. I can recall na I'd always request for my mom to make me her Pinoy spaghetti. And that is something that I truly miss until today. And I miss it so much that David created this pasta in Nonna's and named it after his mom.
So my wife has this joke na yung spirit ni Mama napasa sa akin. I don't have a culinary background. I just had this passion for cooking. When I met Crystal, the daughter of Mama Lou, her family used to have this European restaurant, and that's where I got exposed to better cooking. We put up Nonna's because we love fresh pasta. There's something about fresh pasta that after you eat it, it doesn't only make you full, but it makes you feel good. One of the specialties here in Nonna's is our fresh pasta. And we have a fresh pasta called the Radiatore. The Radiatore was inspired by the radiator. It would have these ridges where once you cook it and you marry it with a sauce, the Radiatore would absorb the sauce better. It's really good. So the pizza at Nonna's, it's a Neapolitan-style pizza. True pizza is when you finish one whole pie, you're not gonna feel bloated, you're not gonna get that full. You get the perfect Neapolitan pizza by having the right ingredients. So that's 00 flour, fresh yeast, olive oil. The cornichon is the thick portion at the end of the crust. And the leopards are the dark spots that you see at the end of the pizza dough. So the more the leopard that you get, the nicer the pizza will come out. When you go to Nonna's and you go to Mama Lou's, dishes are different. You will experience the same quality you get in Mama Lou's and the same quality you get with Nonna's. The same ingredients are also sourced out from Italy, and our secret ingredient, which is love. Nonna's means grandmother in Italian. Mama Lou's is family, and we wanted to create a brand that would still promote family. There's no better person that will unite your family than your grandma.
I believe that if Mama was here today with us, she would be very proud of me and our family, because looking back, she would always be so kilig. Other people saying her name, Mama Lou.